Another day and I'm back with another new video. So today I got my hands on a brand new phone from Tecno, and this one actually packs like quite interesting features. So these days not everybody buys a smartphone for gaming purpose, right? I mean, people are out there who actually want a phone for real world practical sort of requirements, guys. Maybe you're looking for a phone that offers like a comfortable and aesthetic design, or maybe you want like a long lasting battery life on your phone and also like a beautiful display, something like that. So this particular phone could be like quite interesting for you. This is Tecno's all new POVA Curve 2 5G smartphone, and main highlights of this phone is it comes with a beautiful 144 Hz curved AMOLED display, and not only that, you're also getting up to like 8000 milliampere battery on board. I mean, that is pretty crazy. Apart from that, you're getting plenty of other features also, like full on AI integration in the operating system. 50 megapixel rear camera setup is also included, and one thing I do have to mention is this is one of the first phone in this segment to actually come with like dual signal chipset. So usually what happens is whenever you're in a crowded area, a lot of people are there, maybe in like metro or maybe some sort of station, airport or something like that, right? You might have observed that the signal strength on your phone drops, and you might have some sort of issues. To actually avoid that, Tecno has introduced dual signal chipsets on board, guys, which work in the background and makes your signal strength much more stable and offers you like improved network and a stable connection. So that is something I'm looking forward to. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Alright boys, our brand new smartphone from Tecno in the house, the POVA Curve 2 5G, came in this sort of packaging. You've got a picture of the product on the front, mentions a lot of its highlights, which we'll anyhow talk about in this video once we get started with the unboxing. At the back side, you can check out this phone comes in 3 different color variants. Today in the home we have the Storm Titanium edition, and let me tell you, the phone is also available in like multiple memory configurations. You get 8 plus 128, 8 plus 256 edition is also there. We have the top end variant. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly grab my knife, tear this out of packaging, get started with the unboxing, and show you how this brand new curved phone from Tecno looks like. As soon as you open it, there you go boys, a brand new 5G smartphone in the hands. Keeping that aside, in the package you get plenty of accessories. At the top side you're getting some paperwork, just make sure to read that if you've got time. Along with that, you're also getting a sticker pack in case if you want to apply like a UV curved tempered glass, right? You can actually seal the phone using these stickers and get the job done. A free carry case is also included. It's a good quality silicone clear case with a slight smoked sort of finish. A 45 watt power adapter is also there, and a Type-C cable for the adapter. So that's it. These are all the items you got in the package. Keeping all that aside, now let's finally get our hands on at this Curve 2 smartphone, and let me give you like a closer look and talk about the phone. Holy moly, get a look at this phone, guys. I've told you, right, we have the Storm Titanium edition, and initial impressions, the phone actually looks quite beautiful, guys. I mean, check out the whole design. Tecno's all new POVA Curve 2 actually has a spacecraft inspired design. If you look at the elements at the back, the camera module design, everything, right, definitely gives you that space age sort of look and feel. First thing you might notice is obviously this is a curved phone, right? You're gonna get a beautiful curved AMOLED display. So basically on the front you're getting a large 6.78 inches full HD plus curved eye care AMOLED display, that too with up to 144 Hz high refresh rate. Going to the top side here, you're getting a 13 megapixel selfie camera, earpiece is also there, and that is pretty much it. Have a look at the side profile. Now, one thing I do have to mention, despite packing 8000 milliampere battery, right, it is not that thick or heavy. The thickness of this phone is only around 7.42 mm, guys, and it is actually quite lightweight as well. Hardly weighs around like 192 grams. To the side profile, you're getting a volume rocker and a power button. Quality of the buttons is also nice. Going to the top side, there's nothing much over here, just a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And on the bottom side here, you'll find the rest of the ports. You're getting a Type-C port for connectivity, primary microphone. Just beside that, you're also getting your SIM card tray. And this one is your down firing single speakers. And that is pretty much it. There's nothing else over here. And here's how the phone's back profile looks like. I've told you, right, we have this beautiful Storm Titanium edition, and I absolutely love the look and feel of this phone for this price point, guys. Definitely feels quite rich and premium for the price that you're paying. Going to the top side here, you can check out the camera module, and just beside that it even mentions Curve 5G and some lettering including the battery capacity. Talking about the camera module, now initial impressions, it might look like a triple camera setup, but you're only getting like 2 cameras over here. It does have a little bit of camera bump, but put on the case and I think that will be leveled out. Now talking about the cameras, you're only getting like a dual camera setup. Primary one is a 50 megapixel camera, camera, and the secondary one is a 2 megapixel AI camera, guys, for depth sensing, I believe. And that's it. Third one is a dummy, nothing else. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright boys, I'm back to continue the video. The phone is all set up and I've been using it for quite some time, so I'll be sharing like my initial impressions and hands-on experience with the POVA Curve 2. First of all guys, we've already discussed about the whole design and build quality, right? Let me actually tell you how does it feel in hand when you hold it. See, if you ask about the comfortability part, the phone feels quite comfortable. Despite packing like a super large 8000 mAh battery, it doesn't feel that heavy guys. The phone is hardly around like 192 grams only. On top of that, since you're getting like a double curve body, that means not only the display is curved, but even the rear profile, the back of the phone is also nicely curved, which feels quite natural when you're holding it, very comfortable when you're holding it. Thickness of the phone is only around like 7.42 mm, and that makes it like super portable, not an issue at all. At the same time offering like great battery capacity. One more thing I forgot to mention is on the front the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and the phone's build quality is also like super tough guys. It is actually SGS 5-star drop resistant plus IP64 rated as well. So before we actually get to the home screen, talk about the built-in apps, features and the whole experience, right? Let me also quickly show you how the fingerprint reader on it performs. The phone comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, and scanner was actually performing well most of the time. I had no issues. It quickly recognizes and unlocks the phone almost instantaneously. I mean, check out the whole performance over here. Only thing I felt is the scanner position could have been slightly upwards for a more comfortable experience. Anyways, here's how the home screen on the phone looks like, and I've already told you at the beginning, right? The phone comes with Android version 16 out of the box and is based on their iOS 16 skin and theme. And here's how the whole home screen experience looks like. So one thing they've added new on this phone is depth based wallpapers. So once you apply this effect, right, the whole elements on the home screen, either it be apps or widgets, right, they nicely blend with the wallpaper guys. I mean, check out the Google widget over here, the search widget. It almost feels like floating in water, right? So that is how it works. The overall user experience has been pretty nice, very clean and minimal looking UI, and on top of that the phone supports up to like 144 Hz high refresh rate, right? Everything just glides over here, either it be app opening, closing, transition, switching between the apps. Everything feels pretty nice and I didn't face any sort of issues during my usage. Talking about the AI features, the phone comes with multiple AI features easily accessible from the settings app. Just head over here and in the Tecno AI section, right, you can find plenty of things. So you're getting Ella voice, and I've told you, right, you're getting like a big upgrade for Ella version 2.0 that even supports like multiple local Indian languages also. You can speak to them in your local language and Ella will respond back. Apart from that, you're getting like translation assistant, AI call assistant is also there. Lots of new features for documentation, writing, AI notes, recording summary, and obviously AI for CC is also there. Basically AI subtitles, AI gallery feature, and circle to search is also available. So plenty of stuff. Just definitely get your hands on and play with all of these features. So that was about the whole software, UI, experience, built-in apps and features. What I'll do is I'll quickly move on, open YouTube, play some videos over here, just have a look at these demos, and then we'll talk about the overall display and sound quality part. Tecno's all-new POVA Curve 2 comes with a large 6.78 inches Full HD Plus, basically 1080 by 2364 resolution, curved eye care AMOLED display, and main highlight is the phone has a really high refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, and not to miss out is even protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. So I've been playing multiple sort of media over here guys, not just videos on YouTube but even on like OTT platforms like Netflix and Prime Video, and overall experience was pretty good for the price point. There's good amount of detail. I mean, FHD plus resolution at around 6.78 inches was definitely producing like sharp text, and everything is like easily readable guys. Good amount of detail, not an issue at all. And since you're getting Tecno's eye care AMOLED panel, the contrast ratio, everything is like top notch. There's nothing less you can expect over here. Near to infinite contrast ratio and true blacks is what you can expect on this model. If you ask about the colors were also nice. It is producing like good and accurate looking colors. In fact, you have some color profiles also in the settings where you can set it to vivid profile or natural looking profile depending on your taste and requirement. Brightness of this panel is really good. The panel panel can easily hit up to like 4500 nits also in the high brightness mode, and I had no issues checking out the display in most of the situations, and viewing angles are also excellent. But one thing I do have to mention is I had some issues with HDR playback over here. I mean, it's AMOLED display, right? Obviously it should be capable of playing HDR videos, but some HDR videos when I played on YouTube, it was not decoding properly, and because of that I was not getting like proper HDR viewing experience. I'm not sure what the reason is, maybe some sort of software issue or glitch. So Tecno, definitely have a look at this and maybe try to solve that in the next software update. But apart from that, in your regular videos SDR content, right, I had no sort of issues. Moving on and talking about the audio experience, the POVA Curve 2 only comes with a single down firing mono speaker, guys, and overall experience was nice, but I really felt, you know, the phone could have offered like stereo speaker experience considering this price segment. Anyways, sound quality was good. It was producing like crisp and clear audio. All the dialogues were also like easily understandable, not an issue at all. Output level was also satisfactory. Only thing is that stereo experience was missing. I know you people have been waiting for this part, right? Like, how is the overall performance experience on this phone? First of all, let me tell you about the hardware configuration. The POVA Curve 2 is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 7100 chipset, which is actually a 6nm based octa-core chipset, guys, and paired with Mali G610 GPU. Now see, first of all, let me tell you, this is like a mid-range chipset from the company and is not made for like high performance gaming or something like that. On the overall, for a day-to-day sort of user experience, maybe you have a bit of mixed usage. Maybe you watch like YouTube videos, use it for like day-to-day office related works, a bit of creative works as well, and slight gaming in between. It'll get you covered, not an issue at all. It was offering like a snappy experience only, guys. I mean, the whole app opening or closing, transition, switching between the apps also, right? I didn't face any sort of lags or stutters during my usage. Now again, this is not like a dedicated gaming review or something. This is just like an initial impressions and hands-on experience, right? But still, I did play a couple of games over here like Asphalt Legends, and that too at like very high graphics preset at 60 FPS settings, and overall experience was nice, guys. I mean, check it out. I didn't face any sorts of lags, no stuttering, nothing like that. Overall smooth gaming experience on this phone. And the phone also comes with some gaming specific tools and even supports bypass charging. Let me know if you people actually want to see like a dedicated gaming review on this phone with like all sorts of benchmarks, play all your favorite games and some real-time temperature monitoring and all of that. I'll definitely do. Just let me know in the comment section down below. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the cameras and even show you some samples that I shot during my testing. See, by looking at the design, people might think that the phone has like 3 cameras at the backside, but no, that is not the thing. The phone only has like a dual camera setup, and that too, only primary one is the main thing, guys. So you're getting like a 50 megapixel primary camera. The second one is like a 2 megapixel AI depth sensor. So let me just quickly show you some camera samples that I shot in different lighting situations, indoor and outdoor situations, and some video sample footages as well. Just have a look at them. You'll get an idea on the overall sensor quality and what you can expect on this phone. Well, that is pretty much it, boys. Time to wrap it up. Our unboxing and initial impressions at Tecno's all new POVA Curve 2 5G smartphone. I love the whole look and feel, spacecraft inspired design, and the display is also beautiful. You're getting a curved 6.78 inches 144Hz IK AMOLED panel. You're getting decent hardware, 50 megapixel dual camera setup at the backside, and not to miss out, a massive 8000 mAh battery. Again, this is just like an unboxing and initial hands-on sort of experience video, right? I'll have to use this phone for a couple more days before I can actually share my detailed review, and in that video we'll go a bit more in depth and talk about the overall performance of this phone, how is the gaming experience, camera quality as well, and obviously battery life part also. The phone is available in 3 different colors and 2 different memory configurations, and the pricing for the 8 plus 128GB variant starts at around 27,999 rupees, and our particular edition 256GB model costs around 29,999. Apart from that, you're also getting some additional benefits from the brand, like up to 3,000 rupees cash back from some leading banks and NBFC partners as well. I'll try to leave all the details in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.